Aguero, De Bruyne! That's what £55 million buys you! Eriksen just let the ball roll across his body, and that could be the catalyst for a potent Manchester City counter-attack here. Toure, it's De Bruyne! Classic counter-attacking football gives Manchester City the lead.
Now that's the space here for De Bruyne! That's how to finish! He's only been in Manchester a few weeks, but this place is fast becoming his kingdom, and it's all fallen apart for Newcastle United. Trouble now for Southampton. It's Raheem Sterling. It's funneled in right on the goal line.
De Bruyne. A bit narrow for Manchester City, but De Bruyne is in here for... It's Aguero, and now it's Silva, and De Bruyne. It's 2-0. It was wonderfully worked. Kevin De Bruyne is back in the team and back with a goal.
Outwitted Barry. Got away from El Neni. Kevin De Bruyne! That's a smashing goal! How good was that? How good is he?
De Bruyne has nicked it, and De Bruyne scores with the calmness of an assassin.
De Bruyne. He's deceived everybody and put Manchester City in front. Ball jumped. Ball skidded through.
Sterling. De Bruyne is central here. And Lloris with another moment to forget. Spilling it into the path of Kevin De Bruyne. De Bruyne, three up with him, and there's a tussle on the far side. Here's Jesus and De Bruyne, and that's a splendid goal from Manchester City.
Jesus pulling it back. De Bruyne! Beauty! Piercing strike from Kevin De Bruyne.
Sané, Aguero, Sané continuing his run forward, it's De Bruyne, and he's two! Sets up the first, scores the second, a majestic finish from Kevin De Bruyne.
De Bruyne. Oh, belter! Absolute belter from Kevin De Bruyne. There is no stopping that.
Fernandinho, De Bruyne again. Nothing Petacek can do about the second one.
Leroy Sané with two to hit in the middle. Jesus and Sterling. Silva and De Bruyne joining in as well. It is De Bruyne, it's two. It's clinical. From defence into attack in the blink of an eye.
Now they all move and it goes in for Kevin De Bruyne and it's touched home by Nicolas Otamendi. A set piece has done the job for Manchester City. Kevin De Bruyne goes in low. Well, he has the face of an angel, but he's a deadly assassin. And Manchester City have doubled their lead. Gundogan, De Bruyne ahead of him, Sané ahead of him, Sterling through the middle. Kevin De Bruyne, brilliant! City side through Spurs. Just unstoppable right now. De Bruyne, West Brom short-handed here. McLean not able to make the foul convincingly, and Sterling will go on, and De Bruyne will finish it off.
There's De Bruyne! Oh! A coruscating rocket of a shot to enhance the celebratory mood.
Bruyne's ball in, a better ball, oh it's a much better ball, whether he intended it or not. Kevin De Bruyne has given Manchester City a lifeline with 5 minutes to go in the first 15 minutes. Two good chances already. How did he squeeze that in?
Silva, who's allowed to keep going, and he pulls it back for De Bruyne. It's a blockbuster Manchester City start, and exactly what Brighton feared.
Mahrez for De Bruyne. Kevin De Bruyne! Well, you would not deny him that.
It's Kevin De Bruyne, gets the ball out from underneath his feet, and the deflection takes it in.
Mendy. By Dummett. De Bruyne! Oh, that is outstanding! Truly brilliant from Kevin De Bruyne. Jesus tracks it back, De Bruyne rifles it in, and Manchester City are ahead in a trice. De Bruyne, oh, that's brilliant. That is brilliant.
Mahrez, Gundogan alongside him. It goes to De Bruyne, and he does the rest.
De Bruyne, it has done. Pep Guardiola punches the air, Kevin De Bruyne punches the air.